Friends from the media, I will now recap in English. Our firefighting operation is almost complete. Despite that, we are still carrying out firefighting operation to 4 individual units, and damping down to various units of the 7 blocks are still in progress. So as to prevent the debris and embers from flaring up. What's next is the search and rescue operation. We will conduct search and operation to the remaining 25 assistant calls, and at the same time, we will endeavor to effect forcible entry to all the units of the 7 blocks concerned, so as to ensure that there are no other possible casualties. And I will hand over the time to our ambulance officer to give you a brief on the casualties.
而家傳媒單位嘅環節。
During the operation, FSD has deployed 177 ambulances responding to scene. Till now, we have already handled 155 casualties. Among them, 79 casualties were confirmed fatalities at scene. We have sent all the rest of the casualties to hospital. During the firefighting operation, we have 11 fire personnel injured. They are now all in stable condition. However, unfortunately, we have 1 fire personnel confirmed died in the fire operation. Thank you for your attention.
請傳媒機構舉手，講出係代表傳媒機構，然後發問最多2條問題。
你好，商業電台。首先想問下，啱啱話而家會仲有25個求助個案要進行啦。呢25個個案集中喺邊幾座大廈呢？同埋係乜嘢位置呢？另外就係而家咁多個死者裏面啦，其實死者佢哋有冇話集中喺邊一個大廈咩地方比較多呢？生還者又係集中喺邊啲大廈同埋邊啲地方比較多呢？咁另外啦，火場嘅環境其實而家入面環境係點樣呢？係咪嚴重？好多地方嚴重被燒焦呢？之前調查就話咧，外牆安裝嘅保護網、防水帆布、塑膠布等等都懷疑未符合防火標準啦。即係消防喺入面其實見唔見到呢一啲情況係即係特別嚴重啦？又或者呢一啲物料係真係有助燃嘅咧？最後就係想問下咧，而家個火勢啦，即係預計就聽朝9點完成所有爆破同救援啦。咁個火勢係咪今晚會係完全熄晒咧？下階段嘅工作會係點樣咧？幾時居民係可以入去揾到家當咧？唔該你。
就住你嗰幾條問題啦，咁我首先答咗啲死傷者咧，其實主要咧係喺呢個宏昌閣同埋宏泰閣裏面揾到嘅，因為呢兩座大廈咧，其實佢個火勢咧都係比較猛烈嘅。咁另外係如果你話係一啲生還者咧，其實喺唔同嘅大廈裏面咧，我哋都曾經係揾到生還者嘅。至於喺嗰啲發泡膠啊等等嘅物料咧，喺我哋滅火嘅同埋救援嘅過程裏面咧，我哋都有發現其他大廈裏面咧都有呢啲咁嘅物料。咁至於呢啲物料對個火勢造成啲乜嘢影響咧，我哋會稍後完成晒我哋一個滅火同埋救援嘅過程之後咧，我哋會成立一個火警嘅調查小組去睇睇呢個情況嘅。下階段工作咧，我哋完成晒滅火救援程序之後咧，咁我哋分別會好似我頭先咁講啦，進行火警嘅成因嘅調查啦。與此同時咧，我哋亦都會對一啲消防系統啦，佢係咪有效操作咧，進行一個調查嘅。冇問題。
火今晚係咪會熄到啊？同埋就係預計幾時居民會解封到，可以入到翻自己屋企咧？
個火警方面咧，我哋預計咧今晚係可以完全熄滅㗎啦。咁我哋都會繼續灑水去降溫啦。咁至於幾時可以將成個環境咧交翻俾啲居民咧，呢個要稍後我哋做火警調查同埋一啲對於消防系統嘅調查完成之後咧，先至可以答到大家。
位你哋好啊 TVB 㗎嗱，都知道個火勢即係今晚係好大機會會完全可以救得熄啦。但係其實我哋頭先就係話睇到呢個三座大廈其實都仲係火光滿目啦。咁其實本身我見到成個預計就係話琴日嘅中午至到黃昏可以完成晒成個救火工作啦。但係去到呢一刻都仲未救得完啦。其實主要嗰個原因係啲乜嘢咧？即係其實你哋喺火場入邊遇到嗰個困難係咪比你哋想象中更加大咧？同埋頭先黃家姐有問到嗰個嗰啲物料啊，點樣會令到即係其實對於你哋成個工作係咪蔓延都有啲影響咧？我覺得
係我哋預計係今晚可以完成嗰個滅火嘅程序嘅。咁我哋好似記者朋友所講啦，咁我哋都見到有個別嘅單位火光紅紅。咁但係咧，其實我哋都已經我哋嘅消防喉咧已經係開到去嗰啲單位度㗎啦。咁所以我哋都有信心咧，今晚可以完成嘅。至於點解話會比預計嘅時間需要耐咧？就係其實因為個火場面積實在太大啦，大家都可以見到啦，又牽涉到7座大廈同埋係整棟大廈嘅。咁好多地方咧係我哋做完之後咧，佢都有一啲翻燒嘅情況啊，我哋需要翻手去再做。咁所以我哋而家其實都部署咗一啲同事喺大廈嘅唔同地方，我哋就進行一個灑水去降溫。咁之前咧，因為實在太多地方咧個火勢猛烈咧，我哋做唔到呢一個工作啊。咁而家我哋有一啲人手咧可以做到，咁我哋相信咧可以有效咁防止佢再死灰復燃嘅。
Good evening. Just some English questions from the South China Morning Post. With regards to the remaining 25 cases that still remain to be rescued, could you talk a little bit about if the Fire Services Department is still in touch with them, whether they know where they are and what their current condition is like, if you can reveal that. And also, secondly, about the fire itself, because you said the fire is expected to be extinguished tonight. What is the reason in the fire taking so long to be extinguished? What are the sort of main challenges and difficulties in achieving that? Thank you.
For the remaining 25 assistant calls, we actually out of the 25, 3 calls received it recently, hours before. So we will conduct our search and rescue operation to the 3 assistant calls first, and then handle the remaining 22. And for the firefighting operation, we encounter particular difficulties in several areas, like the fire was spreading exceptionally fast, exceptionally rapid. So as you can see, the fire spread quickly to all the 7 blocks of the estate. And secondly, we receive a lot of assistant calls. So we have to deploy our crews to handle the assistant calls at the same time. Besides, debris and scaffolding were falling from upper floors, making our access to the affected buildings very difficult. And there are also other reasons like high temperature, darkness, and also there is another reason is the emergency vehicle access was blocked by the fallen scaffolding and debris, so making our access to the affected building very difficult, particularly our turntable ladder and hydraulic platform.
仲有兩條問題。
兩位好，港台嘅想問翻清楚咧，而家消防嗰個救援嗰個消防喉咧，係咪已經可以進攻去到所有嘅單位嗰度啦？第二個問題就關死傷人數嘅，如果計埋即係喺現場即係證實死亡同埋送院之後不治嗰個死亡人數係幾多咧？頭先就提到嗰個25個求助個案啦，咁失聯嘅人數其實總共失聯人數方面係幾多咧？唔該晒。
我首先答咗嗰個火嘅先啦。咁而家嗰4個仍然喺度進行滅火嘅單位咧，咁我哋消防已經全部都係開到嗰4個單位㗎啦。咁所以我哋之前話有信心可以今晚完成嗰個滅火行動就咁解。咁至於傷者嘅情況咧，咁我交俾